Once you have a folder filled with PNG files, it's pretty easy to go ahead and assemble those into an animation. Remember, it's ideal if all of those files have the exact same dimension, which you see here, so they're going to line up pretty cleanly. Let's bring that into Keynote. And I'll just put this over the black background for now, and use that over a blank backdrop. I can now choose Insert, Choose. And I'll grab that whole folder full of images. There it is. Let's select those and click Insert. Now the pieces may come in the order you don't want, but that's okay. All we need to do is start to reverse these. I'm going to temporarily switch the slide to a white backdrop to make it a little bit easier to see things. There we go. Select my first image here, and I'll send that to the back. Make this so I can see it. And with the inspector, I'll just set that to 0 and 0. There we go. Easy enough. Grab my next piece, 0 and 0. I'll send that to the back and bring it forward one. And you see how the animation reassembles. Now, if you don't want one, you can always choose to get rid of it. And this is a pretty easy process. In fact, I'll just grab all these pieces, except for my backdrop and my gradient, and nudge them over. And so now it becomes pretty easy to create the animation you want. And remember, you can always adjust the opacity as you see fit for a selected object to blend it in a little bit more. I've got the pieces here, and I can drag those into place. There we go. Using my inspector makes it pretty easy to enter it numerically. Let's send that backwards. Option Shift Command B lets me do this right from the keyboard if I want. And then similarly, F will bring it forward. There we go. These other pieces will be much easier since they don't really intersect. There we go. The first word. Let's bring that to the front. 0 and 0. And you see how quickly you can start to animate. There we go. There we go. And let's just bring that to the front. Good. My logo is recreated and just about ready for animation.